If we talk about birds that can't fly, people would immediately think of penguins, right? However, today I'll introduce you to a unique bird from New Zealand, extremely comical, also unable to fly. The bird is none other than the KAKAPO Parrot, nicknamed the Deadbeat. One. It is the world's only flightless parrot, the world's heaviest parrot. Actually, its ancestors could fly, and its relatives can fly too, but due to being too heavy, its wings are not strong enough to lift its body, which weighs over 2 kilograms, into the air. It evolved to achieve the dream of being the fattest among parrots and succeeded. Thus, it switched to the sport of racewalking. In other words, it only knows how to walk. 2. KAKAPO's characteristic is to freeze when extremely frightened. They freeze like they've been cursed. If lucky enough not to be served as the main dish, they will flee by climbing trees. They climb using their claws. They go up to the highest point, and then if the enemy can't catch up, it takes them 1 to 2 hours to figure out how to come down. But most of the time, they fall straight to the ground. However, KAKAPO parrots don't land with their feet first. They're more aristocratic, directly expressing their passionate love for the earth through fiery kisses with their beaks. In case the enemy chases them too close, unable to run anymore, they will jump and attempt to flap their wings, and then, well, there's no then, because they don't know how to fly. However, they are rarely afraid under normal circumstances. KAKAPO parrots are true heroes. When facing enemies, they confront them head-on with a challenging look in their eyes, like saying, "Oh, hello there. What are you planning to do? Want a taste?" Some even cling to the predator preparing to eat them and use seductive looks to try to befriend them. 3. Females are very reluctant to mate. Female KAKAPO parrots are very reluctant to mate. It takes them about 1 or 2 years to mate once. Every time they mate, they run away from the male very seriously, running in circles until they are exhausted and can't run anymore, then they give in. On the contrary, male KAKAPO parrots call for females thousands of times a day. Their calls are hoarse and can be heard up to 5 kilometers away. However, these calls rarely attract females but mostly attract more meat-eating birds. It's like saying, "I'm here, come turn me into dinner." Sometimes, when desperate, they will mate with branches, leaves, flowers, or anything they think is a female. There are some video clips showing female KAKAPO parrots frequently hitting their young on the head, not sure if it's a refined hobby, and when they grow up, they continue to hit their offspring's heads like that. 4. The KAKAPO parrot lives nocturnally, eats grass, and has no defense mechanisms. If they hear a strange sound from the base of a tree, I bet they'll fly like a rocket, headfirst into the tree trunk. They don't care about what happens afterward because of their curious nature. They often lead themselves into danger but carefree and oblivious. They enjoy sleeping during the day and wandering at night, climbing from one branch to another, from one bush to another, or strolling on the ground admiring the peaceful night scenery. However, the time they enjoy wandering coincides with the time when predators are most active. KAKAPO parrots are also famous for their unique body scent. They emit a scent like sweet honey, a fragrance of herbal flower. However, thanks to this scent, enemies can easily locate them, helping them return to their maker sooner. It's no surprise that the little dumbfounded KAKAPO has been classified as critically endangered. The introduction of carnivorous species, along with human activities, has pushed KAKAPO to the brink of extinction. Conservation efforts since the 1890s have preserved the remaining KAKAPO on predator-free islands.
Summarizing, Kakapo is an adorable and incredibly humorous parrot. Due to New Zealand's separation from the supercontinent, there is no presence of predators, making Kakapo incredibly naive in a wilderness full of dangers. Therefore, we should love and protect this adorable animal species, okay?